Hello all, this is Dr. Lakshmi Kamath. I am a practicing pediatrician and a neonatologist. Today I am here to give a very important tip for all the women across all the age groups. American Heart Association tells that at least 2 to 3 days per week you should have something called as strength training. Strength training means that you train your muscles against an external force, be that be a weight or a dumbbell or any other force. We have something called as estrogen and our body is built this in the way that the muscle mass is comparatively less compared to our adult men. So the main focus of the strength training is to increase the muscle mass. So the benefits of strength training is, first thing is it increases the muscle mass, and as we age, that is post 30, there is something called as sarcopenia. There is loss of muscle mass by 3 to 8% every year, and this process of loss of muscle mass increases after 60 years. So that is why starting the strength training very early in life will make sure that this muscle mass is maintained well, and as we age, our testosterone also increases, further reducing the muscle mass. The second benefit is the bone health. Underneath the muscle is the bone, and when we train the muscle, the underneath support that bone also has got strengthening. So how is it? The bone mineral density, that is the osteoporosis as such, increases with age. But when a female who has done strength training versus a female who has done only a simple exercise or maybe no exercise, MRIs also have proven that the bone mineral density increases with strength training group. Third benefit is regarding the posture. More you exercise, more you do strength training, your muscles are toned up. They know what to do and how to work. So the chances of having fall and accidental imbalance that we have as we age also reduces. You might have observed it on your own that post exercise you have happy hormones released, that is your dopamine, serotonin, because of which you are as such the mood is elevated and you try to sleep better. So one carry home message for all the females out there: be strong and not skinny, be muscular but not bulky, be confident and not confused.